You're watching Auto Analysis Hub, your trusted place for detailed, real-world vehicle insights. In today's video, we're exploring something truly unique, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike, often called America's smallest motorhome. This compact yet innovative machine blends the comfort of a touring bike with the practicality of a microcamper. We'll break down its exterior design, interior features, performance, and expected pricing so you can decide whether this one-of-a-kind trike fits your lifestyle. What makes this trike stand out immediately is its eye-catching exterior. At first glance, it looks like a premium touring motorcycle, but as you look closer, you start noticing the clever modifications that transform it into a tiny motorhome. The front end carries the signature styling of a luxury touring bike, with sleek LED headlights, aerodynamic fairings, and a bold road presence. The bodywork is smooth and well-finished, giving it a premium feel that reflects high-end craftsmanship. The addition of the rear camper unit is where things get interesting. It's compact, intelligently designed, and seamlessly integrated into the trike structure, making it look less like an add-on and more like a purpose-built design. The rear section features a lightweight camper shell that doesn't overwhelm the trike's proportions. Despite its small size, it includes smart storage compartments and a foldable design that maximizes space efficiency. The wheels are positioned for stability, giving the trike a confident stance on the road. Chrome accents and high-quality paint options further enhance its visual appeal, making it not just functional but also stylish. Whether parked at a campsite or cruising through the highway, this trike definitely grabs attention. Moving inside, the interior is where this smallest motorhome truly shines. You wouldn't expect much space given its compact footprint, but the design is surprisingly practical. The seating area is comfortable and designed for long rides, featuring ergonomic cushioning and supportive backrests. The rider and passenger both get a premium touring experience, with easy access to controls and infotainment features. Behind the seating, the camper section opens up to reveal a cleverly arranged micro-living space. Inside the camper unit, you'll find a foldable sleeping area that can accommodate one person comfortably or two in a very compact setup. The materials used inside are durable yet comfortable, with soft padding and weather-resistant finishes. There's also built-in storage for essentials like clothing, small cooking gear, and travel accessories. Some versions even include a small portable cooking setup and a mini cooler, making it suitable for short camping trips. Ventilation has been carefully considered, with small windows and vents allowing airflow without compromising insulation. LED interior lighting ensures visibility during nighttime, and the overall layout is designed to make the most of every inch. While it's not meant to replace a full-sized RV, it offers enough functionality for solo travelers or couples who enjoy minimalist adventures. When it comes to technology, the trike doesn't fall behind. The dashboard includes a modern infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. Riders can easily access music, calls, and route information while on the move. There are also multiple charging ports to keep devices powered during long journeys. Safety features like traction control, ABS, and stability systems are integrated to ensure a secure riding experience. Now let's talk about performance, which is a crucial aspect of any vehicle, especially one designed for both travel and camping. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is expected to carry a powerful engine derived from the standard touring platform. This engine delivers smooth acceleration and enough power to handle highways, inclines, and long-distance cruising without stress. Despite the added weight of the camper unit, the trike maintains a balanced performance thanks to its engineering and weight distribution. The ride quality is another highlight. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections effectively. Whether you're riding on smooth highways or slightly rough rural roads, the trike offers a stable and controlled experience. The three-wheel setup adds extra stability, especially during low-speed maneuvers and tight turns, making it more accessible for riders who may not be comfortable with traditional two-wheel motorcycles. Fuel efficiency is also expected to be reasonable, considering its size and purpose. While it may not match smaller motorcycles, it offers a good balance between performance and economy, especially for long touring trips. The fuel tank capacity supports extended rides without frequent stops, which is a big advantage for travelers. Handling is surprisingly good for a vehicle of this type. The steering is responsive, and the braking system provides strong stopping power when needed. Riders will appreciate the confidence it offers, especially when carrying extra gear or traveling long distances. It's designed to be practical, not just exciting, and it achieves that balance quite well. Now let's discuss pricing, which is often a deciding factor for buyers. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike Motorhome is expected to fall into a premium category due to its unique design and features. While official pricing may vary depending on customization and region, estimates suggest it could range between $35,000 and $50,000. This may seem high compared to standard motorcycles, but when you consider that it combines a touring bike with a micro-camper, the value becomes more understandable. There may also be different configurations available, allowing buyers to choose features based on their needs. Options like upgraded interiors, additional storage, or enhanced tech features could influence the final price. Maintenance costs are expected to be similar to other premium touring motorcycles, with some additional considerations for the camper unit. What makes this Trike truly special is its versatility. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It allows you to travel freely without the need for hotels or large RVs. You can explore remote areas, enjoy spontaneous trips, and still have a comfortable place to rest. It's perfect for adventure seekers, solo travelers, and anyone looking for a unique way to explore the road. Of course, it's not without limitations. Space is the biggest constraint, and it may not be suitable for long-term living or large families. Weather conditions can also impact comfort, especially in extreme climates. However, for short trips and weekend adventures, it offers a level of convenience and freedom that few vehicles can match. In real-world use, this Trike would be ideal for road trips across scenic routes, camping near lakes or mountains, and exploring areas where larger vehicles might struggle. Its compact size makes parking easier, and its unique design ensures you'll stand out wherever you go. Overall, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike Motorhome represents a bold step in personal mobility and compact travel solutions. It combines style, functionality, and innovation in a way that challenges traditional ideas of camping and touring. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone looking to try something new, this smallest motorhome offers a fresh perspective on road travel. If you're someone who values freedom, simplicity, and adventure, this Trike could be exactly what you're looking for. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey in a completely different way. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed vehicle reviews and insights.